guys, I'm back with another video, and we are doing a Skylanders review. Sorry, I have the hiccups, but Skylanders review. It's Nightmare, Skylanders logo. It's okay because when we flip to the back, we get. Let's see if we can get a better view of that. Focus. The people I need on this is Nightlight, Spotlight, and Blackout. And there's her in gameplay right there. Tell me the people you need to finish your collection because they'll make you awesome. So I'm about to unbox this in time lapse. And we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Nightmare, and this is her stickers and her code. The code is C7RYB25YRX, and then her stats are 150 for the magicness or whatever. Protectiveness is 110. Her speed is 250, and her luck is 40. So she's pretty much all black, a cool big sword, and a blue hair. And she doesn't have she's a girl, or it's a girl, and she's like half horse, half human. Yeah, and she has white eyes, and she's like a greenish black, I guess you could say. So I guess that's pretty much it for that, pretty much. So I'm about to get a round 360 in a few minutes. This is the round 360 of Nightmare, and those are cards right there. And so this is like a short little video.